what do we have here? Jeep transfer case, 231J. Seems to be left out in the rain. It's locked up. It does have a slip yoke eliminator. That's nice. Case seems to be together. Telltale signs of mud. And who knows what else. So it's been out for a while. Oh, light movement here. That's good. A little bit of movement on the end there. You can hear it. We'll see. Well, that's been taken off. So it's stuck. It's not good. Alright. Well, spray them down with a little come on free stuff. Hit it with the wire wheel. And see if things come out like they're supposed to. Let's get on it. Well, not a good sign. So we're gonna have to figure out what's good and what's not. Well, electrolysis bath is what's gonna have to happen if it's any good. Most likely a bearing kit. There we go. That'll come out the center too. Let's try here. Might give me enough. Didn't want to go before. Maybe the chain was holding it. Ooh, look at that! Well, we'll polish it up. Let's see if it's usable. As long as that's not an indent, because that's where the needle rides. Same with this one. That burnishing might be that input's bad, but we will find out. The real thing in this, I suppose, is that SYE shaft, but I'm not putting a lot of hope into this. This one will be a little tough one to get back moving. That looks good. That feels good. Well, hell, maybe that's still good. Maybe. And we've got a good sinker, it looks like. Yes, we do. Love them. Love those. Whew. A little bath and we'll see. Teeth look good. So, yeah, it'll be alright. Shaft's good. Cool. Some soakage right there. Let's see if we can get this out of here without a big fish problem. I bet you we can. Let's see what these look like. Low range. Yeah, slider looks alright. Okay. Whew. Well, here we go. Take a look. A little rust right there, that ain't bad. Needle bearing looks okay in there, that's good. A little bit rigid. Oh, there it goes. Okay. So a little bit of rust, not bad. We'll check it out. No, not bad at all. Okay. We'll see how those bearings are on the inside. After I let it clean for a minute. This is a pressed unit, so. Is this good? Yeah. Sealing surface good? It is. That's a good thing. Okay. Ugh. Yeah, it's kind of an expensive bearing. That one's a little difficult. That can be cleaned up. We might be able to save this one. Bet you we can clean that one right up. Cool. Remember, watch for clocking. Here's your ring that's stuck. Oh. Just a little grossness. That doesn't look that bad. There. May not be as bad as we think. This transfer case doesn't look that bad. We may be able to save this one without a big deal. That would be so nice. Just a simple bearing kit, some elbow grease. Plate looks fine. We'll clean that one up for that scoring. That'll go back together just fine. Alright. That's good. That's good. Bushings are okay on that one. Bushings are okay on that one. Now this is 3 planetary. It's got 3. Some of them have 6, you can see.